Hi everyone, my name is Piterpakulski. Today we are starting a new business plan, a new financial model. This will be a manufacturing business idea. So if you have some manufacturing business idea in mind, this group of video tutorials may help you to look into inputs that affect financial efficiency of the type of business. So I will be creating this financial model from scratch. I will be making different assumptions during my tutorial videos, and I will be giving the link to the playlist where all these tutorials will be placed. And when the whole financial model will be ready, I will be putting all the links on creation of this model in the description of this video as well. So maybe you will find this video valuable. You may give us a like, subscribe, share this video with your friends. You can also order financial models from scratch for your unique business ideas. We can help you with that. And let's start. First of all, let's make some basic preparations that I usually do. So first, the list of years. So the first year of our projections will be 2023. So just by the way, for so we will have a 10-year horizon. This will be the list of years inside our financial projections. This will be the list of months. This will be the input. So I'm coloring this cell with blue. Blue will be the unique color which will go with all our inputs through whole financial model. Then I'm creating on and off statuses. I will need them later when we will be switching on and off different parameters of inputs to see how the business will perform with or without this or that input. And first of all, let's name our products. So this will be the product. Let's say this will be product A, and this will be product B. This will be the first block of inputs. So this is the inputs. We can name these products later the way we want. So I'm coloring these cells with specific color which goes with all our inputs. Then we are adding on-off switchers for each of the product. So I'm going here, data validation, list. I'm taking the data from here. So these cells are inputs, so I'm coloring them with blue. Then I'm explaining, I have to explain Microsoft Excel because it does understand on and off, so it understands only 0 or 1. So if this value equals to this, then I will put 1, otherwise 0. So if I switch this product off, we will see here 0. I will need this option many steps ahead when we will create the cash flow statement, see the simple discounted payback period diagram, and we may want to look at how the business will perform with or without this or that product. So that's why we are creating the capability of doing that on this early step. Then we need to specify how many units is being produced an hour of product A or product B. So the manufacturing, the speed of manufacturing may differ whether we are producing product A or product B. So let's name it productivity, or the speed of production. Speed of production, this will be units per hour. So let's say we're producing 300 units of this per hour for this product, and for example 180 units per hour of this product. Then we may need to add coefficient of this. So the basic value of this coefficient will be 100%. This will be the input. Speed of production final. So we will use the status, the basic value of speed of production, and multiply the coefficient. All this stuff will be needed during scenario modeling. So for example, if we want to switch off this product from calculations, we can do this easily. Or for example, we may want only to decrease the productivity, and we would like to take, for example, only 80% of this productivity, and this will be 240 units per hour, and we can play or increase it, for example, on 30%. So all this will be needed during the cash flow statement analysis, many steps ahead, but we are creating the base for that right now, and this is very important. So then here we name the products, and then we are moving to production lines. Production lines. So this will be the second block of inputs. Production line. So this will be, let's say we have two lines, line 1 and line 2. Line 1, line 2. We will create, we can data validation list. So we can name these lines also the way we want. So the same story, we can switch on and off this or that production line from calculations to see the performance of the business with or without this or that line. And we will be able to see the simple discounted payback period, so we can create numerous amount of scenarios. So let's add this cell here. We can just copy it. So if this off, then what we are doing, the next exercise, we start describing what we are going to produce. We are taking the line 1, so line 1, so this will be line 1. Then we will take product. Here will be the product. This will be percent of time. So here I will place product A and product B. Total time. So this will be the total. This will be percentage format. So let's assume that on line 1 we will produce 30% of time product A and 70% of time of work time we will produce product B. So these are the inputs. And what we are doing now, so we are coloring these inputs with blue. And line 1, so percent of time, we will use some check options I will use. So if this value equals to 1, we will place here okay, otherwise we will place mistake. So let it be this. So let's add some conditional formatting here. So I will be creating a rule. So this value equals, just a second, this value equals to 1, then the format will be, the field will be green, font will be black, okay, and okay. So if I allocate more than 100% of time, this will give me a mistake, or less, for example. So this is a very simple checkbox when we start specifying the data. This will help us to live in real numbers. So that's why we are creating these simple rules. When we have the whole financial model done, we will be able to play with these inputs easily without making mistakes. And the same story we are doing with line number 2. So this will be line number 2. This will be product A, and here will be product B. And for example, here I will be producing 50% of time product A and 50% of time product B. So today we were talking about very first inputs. Then we will be moving to timeline, to shifts. This will be the topics of our next videos. I will be giving the links to the how I created this model from scratch at the end screen of this video. I will create a link to the playlist, and I will be placing all the links on creation of this model in the description of this video when the whole model will be ready. So you may give us a like, subscribe, share this video with your friends. You can also order financial models from scratch for your unique business ideas. We can help you with that. So see you guys in next videos. Thank you and bye.